DynamoDB write operations can become really tricky and hard to write due to its quite unique API, especially if you'd like to create complex calls including condition expressions. Dynobase Operation Builder makes that much easier. Simply fill a form and the production-grade code will be generated for you in real time, ready to be pasted straight to your project. Let's suppose I'd like to update an item with an ID that equals to 99. In the partition key input field, I simply type 99. Next up, I'd like to remove the deletedAt attribute from that item. Also, I'd like to update the updatedAt attribute to some arbitrary value. To make that a little bit more complicated, I'd like to run that operation only if the updated item had a deletedAt attribute defined in the first place. Once my form is filled, I can simply click Run to execute the operation right away and to check if the generated code is valid. As you can see, operation succeeded. I can just copy and paste that code straight to my project and I'm ready to go.